my I would say this is my first time doing something like this, on camera to unbox stuff. So I decided to buy these presents, gifts, and in total it costed me €4.10. No, wait, 4.1 euros. Yeah. And so here will be my rule. If I will get something twice, I will give it away to someone. Hopefully. So yeah, let's just begin with this stuff. So we have like basic stuff over here. I've what I'm going for is for the mythical one, obviously, and I would like also, I think, I don't know what I want exactly from this, but let's just get this started, okay? There we go. Alright, so that will be the pants over here. No, it's not, okay. Scientist top. I've never really seen this much before, except once in like a year ago or something, I don't know. It looks interesting, I would say. Uh, how much does it cost? I forgot. Yeah, it doesn't really have that much of a value, so let's go to another one. I think I will give that one away, actually, I don't know. Alright, so that's balaclava. Nope, that's a vampire top. Okay, because I have two of these, I will give this one away. Uh, Definitely to someone who will want it for sure. I don't know. Like I'm not a bad guy, obviously. I'm just neutral guy and depressed. So yeah, money doesn't buy you happiness. Keep that in mind. Yeah, that will be blue again. Yeah, that's vampire top. No, it's not. Okay, it's skeleton. I have mixed opinion about this. I remember having a skeleton pants, so yeah, I think it will be great to have skeleton bottom too. Um, yeah, I don't know why I'm recording this while it's summer. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so it's blue again. Oh my goodness, no. Ah! Okay, you know what? I will give this one away too, because why not? Jesus Christ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Oh, 6. Okay. Do not gamble, kids. Just don't gamble. Do not do gambling. Do not do any of that stuff. Alright, so I have Halloween bottom. This looks interesting, I would say. It's not that much interesting. But it looks impressive, nevertheless, so yeah. Fuck you. Oh man, I just wish. Alright, so the issue with this I see here is that I already have a katana, two actually, of these. And I have this one. I remember recording this, and I was like literally hyped, but I never uploaded that stuff. Yeah, money doesn't buy you happiness. Keep that in mind, as I said before. Yeah, I don't know what I. Okay, I'm gonna give this one away too. I'm giving this. Okay, how many of? Okay, literally 1, 2, 3. I have 3 of these. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I'm definitely cursed or something. I don't know. Definitely born on a guy who got burned on a stick is genuinely painful. Right, so I think this will be probably this one down here, definitely. Yeah, definitely it is. Nothing special, but I already have, as you can see. Why am I dressed in vampire costume? Because I lost all hope in humanity. I have thoughts. I have the same thoughts as one of my friends who is no longer on Earth. So, yeah. I don't want to talk about it. Actually, you know what? I want to talk about it because I will be hopefully sooner gone. I just don't want to do stuff. It's not for empathy or any of that stuff, by the way. Yeah, so I think this will be this over here. The mummy stuff. Yeah. Does that mean that I have a full combo? Uh, Moo? Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I have. Great, at least that's good. So let's. No, I don't. I don't have. I don't have full stuff. So back to my uh, vampiric spirituality, I would say. Um, Gold, obviously. There's no pants for the vampire stuff, so yeah, a GIF. So this is my last one. Yeah, that's not even close. Oh well, that's a shame. So in total, what do I have? What have I achieved from this is, yeah, it's this stuff. So it's from this rake. So I want to give to someone this vampire, a top. Probably also this one when I'm thinking about it. And I think I could probably give someone the cowl. I don't know. So yeah, this is, and probably even the katana when I'm thinking about it. You know what? That's everything. Um, why did I decided to do this? This just shows that the money doesn't buy you happiness. I am not happy. Behind this smile, it's pure depression. So yeah. Thank you for watching and just don't forget to eat some parsley, you know. I don't know what else to say. Have a good day, you know? Have a good day. Goodbye.